Place both sides of your kit into the trunk of your vehicle and make sure it sits level in your trunk with all the leveling legs installed and set to the correct height. Take the connector hardware and remove the wing nut and washer. Take the carriage bolt and place it through the frontmost hole, starting from the inside of the kit. We will connect the front part of the kit first since it's easily accessible. Push the two sides of the kit together, making sure the through holes are aligned. With a bit of finessing, the carriage bolt should push through to the other side. Now screw on the wing nut to pull the carriage bolt through even tighter. This will ensure the carriage bolt seats completely flush and will give you additional space to add the washer. Once the carriage bolt is completely snug, remove the wing nut, add the washer, and screw on the wing nut once more. Tighten by hand until the wing nut is very tight and there is no play between the two sides of the kit. Now lift the front of the kit to access the back alignment holes. Repeat the same process for the back.